love it.
Flip beside, other side.
Oh, it's a two-sider.
Yep.
Well, we need 4 then.
Yeah. More driver, more driver. Yep. There you go.
We came here in a rainstorm, or right after the rainstorm, and it was flowing. You just gotta climb up that. Oh. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to T-Stone Approved. It is so good to see you once again. First and foremost, thank you guys so much for always watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, of course, the comments. It's so good to see that you guys are enjoying this. But now we are doing something a little bit different today. We are here.
It's different, but it's the same.
It's different, but it's the same. We're actually heading over to Trail Hero. This is like an event that I've always looked forward to, and unfortunately in previous years haven't been able to do it. So now we've got the weekend off, so we are doing it. We've got Drew again. So Drew, what's the fun fact? Tell everybody what our fun fact is.
This used to be the road, but now it's a walking bridge because it's narrow. They moved the driving bridge right there. This is also the beginning of the Grand Canyon.
That was what the fun fact was supposed to be.
Glen Canyon Dam is right there. And that's where Lake Powell is held back from. This is the Grand Canyon, which leads into the lake outside of Las Vegas. What's that? Mead.
Lake Mead.
Yep.
I did find this little sign, and I'm going to make myself seem smart and tell you guys a little bit about it, but 1927, 1928. Now the arch is 616 feet. The total length is 834 feet.
You're actively reading it.
And the height is 467 feet. So there you guys go. The more you know. But we are heading up to Trail Hero. Of course, we'll take you along for the ride. We'll be right back. All right, so we just got into town and we wanted to eat before the gala tonight. So found this cute little spot. We're gonna see what it's all about. All right, so we've decided to do the Texas chili verde nachos because this awesome gentleman right here said that it was probably the best one he had. So now we've decided to do that because why not? If we've got a local recommendation, we gotta kind of do that. I'm pretty excited to see this. Oh, do we put it in our location?
Cool.
Sweet. Somewhere right in between there.
Don't give our address.
I won't give them our address.
Oh,
I love it. All right, so nachos, perfect. And Drew said since I was from Michigan, we had to get the coney. Look at that. I wish we could smell this. Smell that, guys. Smell it through the phone. Oh, how exciting. All right, as a Detroit native, we need to try the coney dog. Normally I get onions on it, but Drew doesn't like onions, so here we are. Pretty good. No beans, so that's a must. Wish it was a little bit spicier, but overall very good. Bread, wonderful. 7.8 out of 10. Would recommend. 7.8. Just leaving the cross country diner, and if you're ever in Hurricane, super cute spot.
Look at that dump.
Stop. He's talking about the Tesla truck. Totally would recommend coming here. Super nice, great prices, really good food. I would definitely tell you guys to come stop.
Later that day.
Thank you, madame. I appreciate it.
I even come with more gifts than you expected.
Ooh.
Drink tickets.
Woohoo! Hi, how
Courtesy
are you?
of the McRae's.
Courtesy of the McRae's. Love it. You look beautiful.
I wish you would have tucked your boots in. Thank you.
You look wonderful. Cute, cute.
You didn't even wear your boots.
No, he didn't wear his boots. They were tucking in. All right, guys, so we finally made it to the Gala.
Yeah.
Here's everybody. Where's Ricky? Are your boots tucked in, Ricky?
Look, he's got
They're
extra.
not.
They're tucked in under his pants.
And if you guys didn't know, Shannon's getting inducted to. Really? That is awesome. Okay, so I'm sitting with 2 legends, 3 if you can consider Mike over here, right?
Living legend.
Some living legends.
I destroyed a lot of parts.
You destroyed a lot of parts?
Oh, yeah.
I destroyed a lot of hearts.
Okay, we used to hang out. We did this houseboat thing we did every year. So anyway, we're down there and we would play this game. It was. I still like to build junk and have a good time. I love you all, and you're gonna see a lot more of me having fun.
The next morning.
All right, everybody, good morning. It is day 2 for us here at Trail Hero, and I get to be Miss Jess Campbell's passenger princess heading into the show. They're dropping off their fleet of vehicles. They've got the new pink one down here that Shannon and Mike are getting into. Jess, we're in the Land Cruiser?
We're in the Scrambler.
Oh,
the
we're in
brand new build.
The brand new build,
Yep.
the Scrambler. So hopefully I can get Shannon to do a walk around. Then we've got Ricky and Anna back there in the Land Cruiser.
They're in the Land Cruiser.
They're in the Land Cruiser. Sorry. The coupe right now has so many different builds. It's so hard to keep track, but we're going to go through the show. I'm going to show you guys a little bit. But today, we're doing something a little bit different with the coupe crew. We're going to Toquerville Falls.
I'm gonna do my best not to get it dirty. I don't know if I could be looking at Shannon's wife on the wall and the other guy's like, I can. Yeah, he's like, I have no problem. He's like, can I have 2 so I can hang each side? I'm like, yes, you can.
We're ready for it. Let's see these posters. Oh, nice. Love it.
Flip side, other side.
Oh, it's a 2-sider.
Yep.
Well, we need 4 then.
Okay, I can spare 4 for you.
Well, what
Oh,
if
you
he
know what
wants
we
to
didn't
pick
get
a
was rubber
side?
band.
Your brother.
Oh, what are the other 2 for?
Well,
Her.
yeah, we're gonna put, yeah, for
Duh.
me.
She needs one. I'm waiting for her to make me a poster.
I need one.
Right?
Yes, I'll
I
make
didn't
you.
know. I
Make you
just
a
saw it, so
poster.
I figured, what the hell?
Yeah. More driver, more driver. Yep. There you go. More driver. There you go. Yeah. Pinky.
All right, guys, so we just made it to Toquerville Falls. Last time I was here was like a few years ago, maybe 3 years ago for Trail Hero. We came here in a rainstorm, or right after the rainstorm, and it was flowing. It was crazy. So I wasn't sure if it would be flowing again today, but I am super excited that it actually is, especially because this is first time for Shannon, Jess, Anna, Ricky, and Mike. But guys, this is one of the coolest spots that we get to come to. I know everybody's at Trail Hero and doing everything at Sand Hollow, but this view is so worth the bumpy 4.5 miles to get here.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So this is Toquerville Falls. It's one of those hidden spots that feels like you've stumbled into a secret part of Utah. Woohoo! Made it through. I love bringing friends here every time we come back to Utah, and especially for Trail Hero because, you know, they've never actually seen this place. They've only heard about it. So it's the perfect place to cool off and just take in how wild and untouched this part of southern Utah still feels. The town of Toquerville was actually founded back in the 1850s by Mormon pioneers, and the falls were once a watering stop for travelers and livestock making their way through the desert. And lastly, Toquerville Falls is just a great reminder of how wonderful the Southwest is. It's peaceful, it's rugged, and it leaves you having memories that you'll never forget. And of course, this is one of those places that will always hold a special place in my heart.
Ready to go swimming?
Ready to go swimming? All right, guys, so we have finally made it to the BFGoodrich Tires Trail Breaker, and guess who I finally ran into? Did you break yourself?
Nope.
Oh,
Almost tripped.
Oh, you almost tripped. All right. Well, Nate, I know it's Nate Mueller, but I was gonna say Nate from Outdoor Auto, but
That works.
all right. So we're doing this. We're gonna try to find out where the BFG 10 is.
It's gonna be almost as hard as the buggy lines.
Okay, we're gonna go find that. I'm gonna take this face tracker off and figure out how that works. So bear with me, guys.
This stuff is nuts. You can see why BFG sponsored this. Everybody's on reds. Like every single person is on a whole pair of reds.
All right, from your opinion though, would you be able to do this in your pizza truck?
No.
No? Oh! Okay. He's racing. What about you? Do you think you can do this?
No, absolutely not.
No?
I can do it on my feet.
I think I might even trip on my feet.
Yeah.
Gotta climb like that. What do you think?
I think this guy's nuts, but he's a pretty good driver. Why do we gotta be on the spot? I'm too tall. I gotta take a knee.
Take a knee. Here we are. All right, guys. So we are signing out of here. Thank you so much, BFG. Thanks for the front row seats for Trailbreaker. Nate, how did you feel about that?
That was a hell of an event. That last guy, best guy on the whole track, that was amazing.
I think his name was Brandon from Sasquatch.
Yeah.
I think that's
Yeah,
what
yeah,
his name.
yeah, Sasquatch.
That's there he is, right down there. Maybe we can get a quick shout out. But either way, BFG, thank you so much. The sun is setting, guys. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna see some concerts tonight. The music, and then we are gonna link back up with Shannon and Jess and see where the night goes. So we'll be back though.
Night trail run.
Night trail run, guys.